Hello, dear friends. Today, life coach V.K. Chaudhary will tell you about the happiness in life. My dear friends, today in this competitive world, if you see, happiness has gone down. How we can get it? Why it is so important? Why people are not getting it? Everything will be discussed in this video. Hope you will enjoy this. My dear friends, for happiness, you will have to keep yourself healthy with regular exercises. You will have to keep fit, because if you are fit, then you can keep all the persons happy. After that, have smile on your face. When you will be having smile on your face, then definitely things will be brighter and you will feel more happiness. Do jogging, do running, yoga exercises, at least half an hour to 1 hour. Means out of 24 hours which you will have to do minimum 1 hour on your exercises front. When you will be doing yoga and all these things which I have mentioned, you will be getting the advantage of keeping yourself energetic and happy. When the person is energetic, he feels that he can do any damn thing. After that, don't argue. These days, ego is always on the nose of everyone. If you can avoid your ego, you will be the happiest one. Do regular meditation. Regular meditation with regular fixed time, regularity, that is going to give you lot of things. Meditation is what you get for the betterment of your spiritual powers, spiritual insight. Outside we are taking bath every day, but inside we have to clean, and for that meditation helps. There are lot of ways for meditation that we will discuss sometime else. After that, be a man, team man. You should be a team man. You should support your team. Do good to others. When you will be doing good to others, you will be feeling quite comfortable and happy. For example, if you give something, means financial help, education help, or say food, clothing, then you will see that you get inner happiness, and the person who is getting help will also bless you. Or on above, God sees that you are a team man, you are taking care, you are having kindness in your heart. Don't remain silent. Means you do not, suppose you say, I don't love people, I don't love, crowded place. Okay, in this pandemic it is okay, but on the whole, you should be active to interact with the person. Suppose I have gone in park, I have gone in some public place. If I don't want to talk to anybody, when somebody asks something, then this means you are confined to yourself. That is not going to give happiness. More the help, as I have told you, give to others, more happiness you are going to give, and it is given by Almighty, nothing else. So my dear friends, when you are putting your total 100% efforts in your work, business, wherever you are working, with full integrity, you will feel satisfaction from the inner heart. And that is game changer, my dear. Sometimes what people do, they become negative. They create the negative atmosphere which is not going to help anyone. So what I feel from my experience, if you are always positive, try to make negative people also positive if they are willing. In the starting they may not, but when you are positive always and you side cut if negative is becoming little bit bigger, then you switch yourself out, shift yourself out from that place. That is going to help you. Next point, don't go for the bad addictions like tobacco chewing, smoking, alcoholic things. These are destroying the things. Try to be vegetarian because our body is suitable for that. You see, when you are sick, doctors also say don't take meat and everything. So my dear friends, you will have to take care of your life. You are master of your life, you are creator of your life. Then how you can think that you can be negative? When you are not negative, then definitely things are going in your favor. I have seen in my entire life, I have tried to be on the positive side, and I got the advantage that I made my atmosphere wonderful in team, in family, in friends. Everybody knows that he is not like negative people. So guys, I think I have given more. If some point are left, you will help me in adding in your comment box. Your comments are most important. I see that most of the people see my videos but try to run away from making it like, subscribe and share among their family member and friends. You just see the points which I have raised in my video. They are going to help not only to you but your all community, family members, children, wife, everybody. And some more points I will be adding, my dear friends, like meditation you have started, exercise you have started, spiritually you have reached, physically you have make yourself fit, passionately you are working hard so that you can the best out of your career. After that, relationship, when you will be having everything in your control, where relationship will go, it will also prosper in leap and bounds way. So when everything is there, energetic thinking, mentality, care for each other is there, relationship with your wife, children, family, friends will always in the top gear. When you care for others, they will care, Almighty will care for you also. So my dear friends, enjoy each moment of your life. Don't wait for marriage anniversary, happy birthday or anything. Just enjoy. Like suppose your son, daughter or your own child starts on the floor. First start how you enjoy the life. I've enjoyed it from the core of my heart. And my dear friends, I saw that with how much positivity when you start, he or she means child who starts his first walk feels confident because he feels every time, he or she, that my some guardian is there, my dada is there, my mom is there, my father is there, my daddy is there, means any senior, that yes, now I will have to walk. Similarly in your life, when you will believe that everything is good, just see that you will be enjoying each moment of your life, and leave it on the God Almighty that you are getting full support from Him when He has brought you inside this universe. Then why to worry? Just don't do wrong things to anyone. Don't do backbiting to anyone, and you will enjoy the life without any problem. Try to be a learner every time. When you will feel that you are a learner, you will try to get everything, every education you will love. Here I want to add, my dear friends, last 4 years have given me lot of thinking in this way. Otherwise I was also an angry man. But in last 4 years I have read around 47 books now, and I enjoyed every bit of that. It was difficult in the starting, so I have told just read 5 to 10 pages daily and you will see the change in life within 1 year. I have started motivational speaking. I became life coach. I started my 2 channels, one for motivation from my side, one from my wife on cooking channel, where more than 350 to 450 videos are uploaded, all vegetarian, and here in motivation side all motivation. Just go through those channels and enjoy the life. Similarly, I have written a book, Love Your Life, because when you love your life, everything becomes positive automatically, and there around 40 points are given, and it is available on Amazon in lot of countries. My dear friends, now every tip I have given you, rest to write in your comment box. Enjoy the fun of the day. All the best. Good luck. Take care of this pandemic. It will go. Nothing remains stable for long time. If we have heard of this pandemic, it will run away soon. Just take care for the mask. Just take care for social distancing, hand washing. Don't go in the public places till it is under control. All the best. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.